In this video, we're exploring the 8th most tourist attractions here in Manila.
Mahal kong Maynila, sa'yo'y hindi mawawalay. Maynila,
Maynila, pangarap ko'y mabubuhay.
And we have a... May dalang money, oh.
Sandaan nga lang po ang...
Oy! Ano masasabi mo sa mga kabataan?
Maging hostel kayo mga pare.
Yun, hostel.
Galaw-galaw naman dyan.
Oh!
Sa mga kabataan dyan, huwag kayo puro cellphone.
Neneng Kian yan! Sino nga yun? Yan po si Bugoy na Koy Koy. Dito, ito naman nasa ano. Sino nga ito? Encantadia. Grabe. First time ko nakita yung Avengers sa totoong buhay. Uy! Itong may isa pang magandang laruan, oh. May laruan to. Nakakagat kaya to? Grabe, parang pamilya to. Parang kamukha ni Kian yung nasa ano, yung most viewed video natin. Ito mo, nasunod yung mata sa akin. Grabe yung laruan to, oh. Oh, Avengers pala to, si ano, si Kupal. Help! Mom is kinda homeless. Mang lasa ng mango.
Mga harap mga bebe dito.
Yeah!
Up next to tourist spots it's more fun to visit here in Manila. It's feel like you're in Italy, Venice Grand Canal.
finding the right words to use for this song. I have you in mind, so it won't take so long. Never thought I'd find you, but you're here, and so I love you.
Let's go! We're here at Italy, y'all. Ito yung susi ng gitna, no? Aquarius, ah.
Yung memories, susi. Pwede yata yung susi ko nun, ah.
No, sayang, walang shot ako. Magdadala akong dito ng doorknob. We're at Italy. And we're seeing some lovely people here in Italy. And this is the single one. Oh, yeah.
Bro.
I show speed. Charot.
My mom is kind of homeless.
Pwede ka?
Let's go, dude.
Magkano tayo challenge? Money hunt, the money challenge. Mag-iwan tayo ng piso. Dito lang po. Sa may ano na po, Italy, Venice, active. Diyan po, para sa mga subscribers, kunin na lang po yung piso.
Gutom na ako.
Gutom ka na?
Oo.
Ano mga ang gusto mong kainin natin?
Sino?
Shabu-shabu! Grill, shabu-shabu.
Huwag mong subukan.
Sino?
Yung ano, pagkain mo? Gano'ng kasarap?
Para sa 10 pare.
10. 10 out of 10. Same. Ano bibili mo? Ice cream?
Oo pare.
Meron mas murang ice cream dito. Ito. Ayun guys, oh.
Ayun nga.
6, 7. Let's go. 6, 7.
Game Boy vlog.
Who was interested first? Who said I love you first? Who's more protective? Who cleans more? Who eats the most? Who spends the most money?
The Venice Grand Canal, it's very insane. But our next destination, it's more insane, and take us back in the year 1800s. Fort Santiago is a historic citadel and defense fortress in Manila's Intramuros, built by the Spanish in the late 16th century. It served as a military headquarters for various colonial powers, and is most famous as the final prison of the Philippine national hero, Jose Rizal, before his 1896 execution. Today, it is a popular national shrine and museum where visitors can explore its ruins, dungeons, and the Rizal Shrine to learn about Philippine history.
Excuse me po, pwede po magtanong? Nakita niyo po to?
Di ba yan yung nga?
Ito daw po yung ano, nawawala daw po sa sarili. Di ba ikaw yung nasa ano? Squid Game? Season 1? Ito, walang magawa sa buhay. So, if the gate it was 500 years old, paano siya na welding? Di ba wala pa siya ma-welding dati, yung ano, nagwe-welding. Paano kaya nagawa yun? Ano nga tawag doon?
God of Lightning Rule.
Yes.
Bumaba dito, tinulungan sila. Ganun kasarap si Jose Rizal.
Yun. Parang nasa kayo lang ng jeep. Ito yung ano, guys. Original ano.
Very, very old people.
Very old people who die and become heroes. Ay, hindi po. Binaril din po yun. So, ito pala ang ano, sinaunang cabinet. So, Maria Clara. Rizal. Nakita mo itong nakikita ko?
Ano yan?
Ano yan?
Tokyo Tower.
Nope. Album ni Joji.
Ano?
Album ni Joji. Ano yan, pre? Palimos po. Ayan po. So, balaw po kumain. Pupusin na yung siomay, oh. Kaya kuha ka nito. Sa akin. Isa. Okay. Mga 2 piraso lang, boy. Busog na ako, yun. One bite.
Ang sarap mo, Pia.
Ginagawa mo.
Kasi parang, naka-tigim nito eh. Kala ko chicken fillet.
Ibasa kasi ulam niyo, mga tuyo. Kaya hindi ka nakaktik.
Our next destination is where rich people burn their monies. Okada Manila varies, such as the 100-meter wide glass dome of the Cove Manila venue. For event spaces, the Grand Ballroom can hold up to 1,500 guests, while the Golden Ballroom can accommodate up to 300.
Hindi makita yung Koreana. Dito kami nakiyan sa Okada, oh. Aboy, tara, tulitingin tayo. Uy!
Yeah, boy.
Hawakan mo kung apoy, boy. Damn, bro. Look at this place. Tommy. Yo, si Piang ba yan?
Bawal talaga.
Not gonna lie, this place very expensive, that you need to spend $1,000 per night just to stay here. And so me and Kian are so very tired right now. My friend Yumi called Mr. Beast, just to blow up Okada.